In this video, I want to show you how to convert SRT file into text. The beautiful thing about the method I want to show you is that you don't need any software. You don't need internet connection. So let's get started. So the SRT file I want to use, let me export it from CapCut. So to do that, I have this SRT file. I will click on export. I want to export the file as SRT. Then let me just name it subtitle. Then I will click on export. Yes, it has been exported. I can click on OK. So let's go to that folder where I exported it. Yes, here is the SRT file. If I try to open it, it will ask me to choose an app to open it, which is not possible. Now, if you want to convert it to text such that you can copy the text, let me show you how to do it. To do that, what you need to do is to rename it. That is, you change the format or the extension. If you look at it, the extension is .srt. Now, to change it to text, what you need to do is to right click and click on rename. When you do that, what you need to do is just to remove this SRT and replace it with TXT. So once you do that and click on OK or enter, it will ask you that are you sure you want to change it? Click yes. Once you change it or click yes, it will change to a text file. Now you can double click and open it as text, and here is it. Let me maximize it. You can see it has converted it to text, and also with the time stamp. You can see this is the first one. You can see it. So from here you can copy your text. You can see it. So in summary, this is how to convert SRT file into text without using any special software or internet. Thank you for watching.